Hi guys, so just got this delivered, the lightning to headphone jack adapter from Apple. Genuine accessory to connect a 3.5 mic on my iPhone. So this is the original piece. The MRP is around 900. It cost me somewhere between like 850 or something. So let's open this and let's see what's inside. This thing cost rupees 800. This is the price you pay for Apple. These things run the Cupertino Apple headquarters in California. 800 rupees for such a big device. So let's test this and we'll show you the audio quality. Thank you. This is our small setup. The Apple lightning to headphone jack adapter, original accessory from Apple, and this is our Maono mic. So I hope the voice will be much better now onwards, and there is some YouTube content playing in the background, so please ignore that. This is just a mic test, so I think that audio will also be heard, so this would be good. So see you next time. Thank you for watching this vlog, and goodbye from Tinky or Baba. Have a good day.